Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy spring. So I've been accumulating a few items from a couple different stores, Target, some from Dollar Tree, and some from Dollar General. And some of these items were like 70% off of like early spring items. I'm gonna go through them first. Okay, so these items were 70% off when I found them. I found this art caddy. It's in like a mint color, but I'm gonna paint them like a white color before I put them out. But it was $3, so I paid like 90 cents for it. I know they had a white one too, but this is the only one I could find, which is fine. And these plastic letters, black and white, they were $3, so I paid like 90 cents for them. I also found two of these letter boards, and they were $3, so 90 cents. I'm glad I found these because I didn't want to pay like $3 for them. And for some reason my Target, they had a whole bunch in the back, because the lady who works there, she was like, I have quite a bit in the back, so you stick around, I'm gonna be unpacking them throughout the day. I was like, okay, great. And there was actually a lot of these, and same with the letters. It was crazy. So I think those were the only items that were 70% off when I found them. Now on to the good stuff. I'm sure you guys seen most of these already. I know my video is kind of late because I've seen everybody haul these, but like I said earlier, I wanted to have quite a bit of items before I show you guys. First off, these tulips. I found almost like 30 of them in all different colors, and I grabbed them all. They were $1 each, and they are so pretty and so soft. Like so realistic, so soft. They are beautiful, and I've already decorated with them around my house. Next up is these unpainted ceramic rabbits. I got two of them. They are so cute. They were $3. You could leave them like this. I think I'm gonna paint one of them white and then leave one of them just as they are. These are not necessarily just for Easter. They could be year-round decorations, and that's what I plan to do. I hope everyone had a great spring break. We actually took our kids to the Great Wolf Lodge. You can see my hat right here. It was our first time, and we had a great time. So I definitely recommend it if you haven't been there. Let me know what you guys did for spring break. And I can't believe school will be out like in like less than 2 months. I can't believe it. It's crazy. Okay, more of the spring items are these colander. Oh my gosh, I saw these back in like January from somebody on Instagram, and my Target just put them out like a month ago, and I've already decorated with them, of course. I found, I think, 4 of these white ones. These are my favorite. The other colors I'm not so crazy about, but I'll show you guys a picture of what they look like. They do have one that looks like this, but in like a light pinkish. I wasn't too crazy about that either, but white is everything. Now this one, this welcome shiplap letter was from way back, maybe in January or February, but I found one and it's really beautiful. It has like a faux shiplap on the letter. So I'm gonna get like a eucalyptus wreath, like a pretty good size one, and I'm gonna put this in the middle. Or you can put this on those tobacco baskets. That's really beautiful too. So many ways you can use this. This was $3, I believe. Oh, and these colander were $3. I know last year they had something similar, but I couldn't get it. I couldn't find it. By the time I found out, it was too late. But this year, it was my mission to stock them, and I found them. My Target was really, really nice, actually. Like, I literally go there every day, at least 3 days a week. And these ladies, they were so sweet, you know, because they see me every day. And I tell them, I'm looking for these colander, you know. And they're like, okay, well, do you want to leave your number and your name, so we'll call you when we unpack them, we see them. That was so nice of them. So they called me when they got this, and I rushed over and I found them. Next is this wreath. It's a medium size. It's really beautiful. It has these kind of like eucalyptus leaf. My next item, I'm pretty sure everyone's seen them everywhere, are these vases. They were $1. They come in many different sizes and shaped. I found quite a few, and I've used them around the house actually already, and they are so beautiful. And for $1, I mean, look at these details, especially this one. This one is my favorite. It's just so beautiful, and the color too. So I grabbed quite a few. And I mean, for $1, I mean, come on, you can't beat that. Next up is this Hello Spring sign. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And it was only $3. This can go anywhere. It's really beautiful, and the wood is raised. Okay, the last two items from Target are these plant misters. A white one and like a teal bluish green one. They were $3. And I don't actually plan on putting water in here. They're mainly just for decoration, but look how cute. So adorable. Okay, next up I'm gonna do a couple items from Dollar General. So I also saw these on Instagram before I found them, and they're only $1, okay, all of these. I found this windmill and this wheelbarrow. I found 3 windmills and 2 barrels. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh, and look, the wheel actually moved. Look how adorable it is. And this one, the windmill actually moved. So cute. And $1. Come on. These will be great for fall. Put like some tiny pumpkins in here. Oh, they are so stinking cute. So adorable. And this oink pig sign, look how cute it is. I was born in the year of the pig, so this was so cute. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. They have other cute ones too, like a cow. I took a picture of it and I will show it to you guys, but so stinking cute, and for $1. Dollar General has really stepping up their games, you guys. Look, I think they're trying to compete with Dollar Tree. So cute. And that's all I got from Dollar General. These next items, okay, let me do Walmart first. I found these eucalyptus picks at Walmart for 97 cents. I found 4. Look how beautiful it is. So realistic. And these were also 97 cents. These lavender picks, look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Okay, and then I have a couple of Dollar Tree items as well. Now I'm not gonna use these candles. It's mainly for decorations. I grabbed them mainly because of the details on the jars. I got 2 of each, and they smell really, really good too. But look at these, look at the details, so pretty. And then these 2 smells really good too. But look at the jars, oh my gosh. This is Blue Lagoon, so beautiful. It's almost like mermaid scale texture, so beautiful. And then these last 2 smell so good. And then I found children's book, Jack and the Beanstalk. My 5-year-old, he loves reading these. Robin Hood. The Robin Hood one is actually like a pop-up book. He just loves it. He thinks it's super cool. And he actually brought Jack and the Beanstalk to his pre-K school because it was bringing a book day. He brought this, and he brought 3 little pigs. So cute, look. And this one, so cute. I haven't been back in like 2 weeks, so I'm pretty sure there are other new items coming out. You know how Dollar Tree is, always come up with new items. And the last 2 items from Dollar Tree are these canvases. Look at these. I found tons and tons of other too, but I wasn't really crazy about it. But this one was really nice. It says, "Family together is my favorite place to be." It has like a faux shiplap. And this one, it just says "Welcome," and it has that windmill. Look, isn't that adorable? I found quite a bit of these at my Dollar Tree. So beautiful. We're in the process of moving soon, so right now I'm not gonna decorate or put up any of these items like the canvas. I'm waiting to go to the new house, and then I'm gonna put them up. And that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you scored any of these items. I hope you like this video. As always, I really appreciate every one of you guys for your support. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I do at least 1 video a week, except for last week because it was spring break, so we went away, so I didn't upload a new video even though I had videos. But that is it for today. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much again. I will see you in my next video, okay?